Hello beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Today's project is some lovely paper clip. So I decorated some of them with some embellishment, some pearls, some wooden beads and stuff. So there's tons of tutorial of this paper clip on YouTube and Pinterest. So I needed to make some. So I thought, why not, I will record the video. But instead of bothering you to show you how to make them, it's the really simple process. So I have used the, I think it's called something about tabs, everything tabs. I'm not really good with names. Punch from Stampin' Up. And I basically punched this little shape. Okay, and what you do, you simply punch them and fold them over, put the clip and glue them. Dead simple. Now, you don't have to buy the punch to do this because you can use any other punches that you have. Now, just an example, I have this another punch from Stampin' Up, the scallop punch. So another thing you can do, you do just punch two of those little circle. Again, same principle. You put the paper clip in the middle and that's it, and then you can decorate it. Now I have used some of this. I have used the cupcake adhesive. So you saw me in another tutorial, another cards I made. I bought this from POUNDLAND a while ago. They were really cheap. I think they were a pack of 25 for a pound. So I bought 2 packs. Done some different paper craft projects, so I will link it down below. I made some cards using those little cute cupcakes. So really handy, and I think they look quite nice on a paper clip because it's literally the right size. See if I can zoom it in, so if you guys can see it. Okay, I also used these wooden bees and ladybirds. So I bought this from Wilko. I think they were £1 or £1.50 a while ago. I think I bought them during Easter, if I remember correctly. And again, simply attached them on the paper. I also got some of these hearts, like a felt hearts. I bought them from the works. They're cheap. I think it was again for a bag of 50, something like £2, £2.50, so not expensive at all. And I also found on my last trip to Italy, when we went there on our holidays in May, I bought some of these, which is like an adhesive golden roses from like the equivalent of the pound shop that we have in Italy. So I bought a pack of, how many of that? 3, 6, 9, 10, wow, 60 for €1. So you can't get wrong with that. And I have attached some of them on the blue one, the blue and pink. Now there is endless color combination. As I said, you can just use as many colors as you want. I bought these little big tabs of paper clips on Amazon. They're not expensive at all. But yeah, again, you can find them on Wilko. I don't know if they're selling in Poundlands, but really easy to find. Right, so I hope I gave you some ideas. I'm not here to teach anything because, as I said, there's plenty of tutorial on YouTube about paperclip. So that's my version. Put some in my my glass jar because it's easy to store them. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked them. Give me a thumbs up, that will mean the world to me. Subscribe to my channel. I also have a Facebook group, which I will all looking forward to see you there, so we can have some chats. I have Instagram, AntonioMakes, so really easy to find me. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.